Today, we have some news that's not so great and some confusion surrounding the DJI Pocket 4 that you'll want to hear about. Let's dive into the bad news first. The much-anticipated DJI Pocket 4 launch has been delayed. While fans were eagerly waiting for its release before the year's end, quality control issues with accessories have caused a holdup, despite multiple leaks and an FCC filing hinting at its features, such as a 20% battery boost over its predecessor. The Pocket 4 has yet to be officially announced. Early rumors suggested that we would see it in 2025, but due to the accessory delays, it seems we'll now have to wait until January 2026. So, what's behind the confusion? Well, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 rumor mill has been running wild after two leaked photos surfaced, showing what looked like two separate prototype camera bodies on a testing rig. This instantly sparked a heated debate among tech enthusiasts. Initially, people were puzzled as the setup didn't resemble the typical pocket size form we're used to. Some theorized that DJI was testing two prototypes side by side, while others believed they might be testing different lens weights to assess balance and stability. Another idea floating around is that the device shown is the actual Pocket 4 camera, purposely wrapped in tape and covered with test labels to hide its design. As expected, social media exploded with mixed reactions. Many fans voiced concerns, claiming that the camera no longer seemed to have the compact, portable feel of its predecessors. Others speculated that DJI might be letting these leaks stir the pot and build hype leading up to the official launch. When we take a closer look at the leaked images, however, we can spot some interesting details. The gimbal motors are noticeably larger than those found in the Pocket 3, and the arm design looks sturdier, which indicates that the camera may be able to handle a heavier payload. Also, the camera block appears to be positioned further forward, a common design choice when testing for more complex lens setups. All of this hints that the Pocket 4 might be getting a major upgrade. Leak specs point toward a 6K recording at 60 frames per second, an updated image processing system, and even a variable aperture sensor. All of these developments suggest that DJI is preparing to release one of its most advanced handheld cameras yet. Now, let's move on to some exciting news from DJI's drone division. It seems the company is gearing up for a major release with the DJI Avata 360, which has just received FCC certification. This move has stirred up quite a buzz, especially considering the timing amidst talks of a potential U.S. drone ban. There's speculation that DJI could be accelerating its release schedule, potentially releasing a hybrid drone capable of both FPV and 360 degrees video capture. Leaked specs show that the Avata 360 might feature dual 1.1-inch image sensors, capable of recording 8K 360 degrees footage at 50 frames per second and 4K FPV footage at 120 frames per second. This would make the Avata 360 an incredibly versatile option for drone enthusiasts, delivering smooth, high-quality footage for both fast-paced flying and cinematic shots. The battery has also seen a boost, with a 38.67W battery that promises longer flight times and more power for high-res video. The price is rumored to be around $975, and the Avata 360 will likely come with multiple control options, including flight goggles and FPV controllers. This could very well become one of DJI's most impressive FPV drones to date. In terms of design, the Avata 360 is said to be thinner and longer than its predecessor, the Avata 2, with a new top section that sits closer to the rotors to avoid showing up in 360 degrees footage. While early leaks didn't reveal the 360 degrees lens, subsequent images have shown a bump on top of the drone, possibly indicating where the lens will be placed. The drone's hybrid design will allow for seamless switching between FPV mode, where the forward-facing camera is in use, and 360 degrees mode, where both lenses will capture a full panoramic view. The drone will also offer professional-grade video capabilities, with 180 degrees views and 8K 360 degrees footage. This could potentially revolutionize the FPV drone market, merging the worlds of immersive 360 degrees footage and traditional FPV flying. So, while the delays surrounding the Pocket 4 have left many disappointed, it seems DJI is preparing to unveil some truly groundbreaking products in the near future. With the Avata 360, they may just be setting the stage for a new era in drone and camera technology. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.